you might be going, why is there a lesson based on 2 chords? It would be because they are awesome. All right. Now, what we're looking here is a couple of dominant chords with a little bit of a tweak. And you would have heard them possibly in some real bluesy numbers. So this and this. All right. Okay, really, really cool chords. Now, what we've actually got here is this cool little dominant shape. So we're using a couple of dominant chords. Now, with the B, that's your root note. So that's great. Okay, and you've also got a F sharp in there, which is a 5th. Awesome chord, right? Probably my favorite chord. Then this one goes with an enormous amount of tension there. All right, and you've just shifted everything up except that B string. And this is where it gets kind of interesting. You've got, all right, your C scale. So the B is a 7th, right? A natural 7th. But a dominant chord is a flat 7th. And you're starting to go, all right, so you've got a natural 7th and a flat 7th in there at the same time. Now, if you want to be nitpicky, you would probably call that a sharp 6 rather than a flat 7th, but who cares? It's the same note. So let's have a look at what's going on. All right, when you've got this nice little beautiful chord, there's your major. Dropping it back, you're actually placing these just a single tone apart, and that is that interval that's a flat second, your jaws interval. All right, so it's actually a real tension, super tension note, and it adds everything to this. So what we're going to do is use that as your tension. So you've got your 2 different 7ths fighting there. All right, now if you're going, what should I be putting this with? E and A. Cool. Now you're probably going, I thought this was finger picking. So let's throw that element in, and this is why it sort of gets to a real level 6. So now we're going to do full 4-finger and your thumb finger picking. Okay. Hear it, it's just awesome. And you can mix it up. And this beautiful descending run becomes something pretty special. All right, so have a play around with it. Really tweak it, move it around. All right. This is great fun. Now, of course, when we do this, we go, oh, that's awesome. What happens if I octave it? And it just sounds awesome too. So let's go. We're going, we've got this here, then we've got that there. So you end up with this great little chord. All right, so it's a dominant chord. It's a miniature dominant chord. Right, now, if you've picked up a little bit of speed with these fingers, you can start to go nuts with it. And I did say it was a level 6, right? That's what I'm talking about. You're going to get a really rich sound. So and absolutely just shreds into the blues, play around with it. It's obviously one of my favorites. We'll leave it there, and I'll see you next time.